Hey super swing traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Okay guys, let's take a look at CAD yen. On the monthly, price is ranging between this area of demand and this area of supply up here. So ranging, bouncing off. Okay. So price is telling us that it's getting weaker and weaker to the downside because price came down to this area of demand that's not tested, so it rallied for a while and then it's forming these bearish impulses. Okay, and then now you also have the EMA line acting as resistance up here on the weekly, but then monthly is in a downtrend. Weekly, same story, you have downtrend with area of supply being created up here. So this, it didn't touch here, but this is the first touch. So this is a very good, and then on the daily, price went to this area on the daily that is fresh, and so this area could be a pretty good short. So this area is a good short, I think, to go short to see if it's gonna work. The only downside is this area is located in this area, and this area you have the monthly bearish engulfing candle, strong one, and the price immediately came back to it. So this tells me that price is balanced, so there's no imbalance. So that's why I'm kind of tentative on not shorting. So if you want to short, then you want to wait for price to, and you want to do it on the lower time frames, of course, not on the daily, but you want to do it on the 4-hour. But the same method is to wait for price to get up here, which it did, then come down, and then come back up, and then short, and then that is your area of supply to short on the way down. And it's gonna only get like down to here or so, and then it's gonna come back up because, like I said, the monthly is telling us that price is in a balance. Weekly, yes, this is a strong imbalance, so it could drop a little bit before it's gonna ultimately go back up, break this trend line, and then go back up to the next area of supply, which is all the way up here. Okay, or probably right here, probably. But anyways, we're looking for price to go back up because this area located right here, which tells us that there is no imbalance, so this area will not hold much longer. So you can wait for it to come up here and then show us that there's some selling pressure, and then short again, and then it's going to drop here and go back up, and then it's going to remove this area of supply and go back up to this area of supply on the monthly. And then from once this area and this area gets removed, then you can look to go counter trend long and buy the pullbacks on its way up to up here and up here. Okay, so I hope you guys follow that and take this advice. And just remember that I'm not a financial advisor. I don't tell you how to trade, but I'm just telling you what I think the markets are going to do. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.